Voltitude V2. When it comes to luxury foldable e-bikes, the Voltitude V2 fulfills all the requirements. It is a compact e-bike with a stainless steel, magnesium and aluminum frame. This alloy ensures a weight reduction of 22 kilograms, making it easy to carry. The built-in holder allows the rider to connect the phone to take advantage of the speedometer, GPS and automatic lighting. It features powerful electric assistance with pedaling, providing a maximum range of 120 kilometers with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The locking system and motion sensor provide security. Featuring an anti-theft alarm, the approximate price of the Voltitude ranges between 15,000 to 20,000 euros. Sigi, a Danish bike manufacturer, introduced a performance-oriented folding bike that focuses on performance. The frame of Sigi is made with a combination of carbon and basalt called stone weave, making it weigh less than 10 kilograms. It is available in two modes, manual and electrified. The suspension allows for a comfortable ride on all types of terrains. The maximum speed of Sigi is 25 kilometers per hour with a slope stability of 15 degrees. An elegant fold of Sigi is ensured by the left fork, making it compact and easy to execute. The 20-inch wheel ensures easy folding and storage of Sigi. The cockpit and handlebar are adjustable. The approximate price of Sigi ranges between $17.94 to $26.69. Gocycle Foldable e-bike. Have you heard about the best electric bike in the world? Yes, that's Gocycle. It brings to you various models that could be the future of e-bikes. It provides electric assistance with pedaling and offers a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The removable lithium-ion battery gives a maximum range of 50 miles. The approximate weight of the Gocycle G4i is 38.8 pounds and can carry weight up to 220 pounds. It can be easily connected to the Gocycle Connect app, and along with an integrated display, the rider can view the speed, gear, fuel gauge and efficiency. It can be ridden in 4 modes, namely City, Eco, On-Demand and Custom. The price of the Gocycle G4i is around £4,499. SSIKE folding bike. SSIKE is a portable folding e-bike designed with the concept that a single person can handle the folding bike with comfort. This is a concept that provides a cost-effective alternative for everyday use. It gives a familiar feeling to skiing as it works with the rider's balance. SSIKE is powered by a 250-watt electric motor giving a maximum range of 40 kilometers. After folding the e-bike, it weighs around 12 kilograms and can be easily carried everywhere. Quickfold Excite 3A. If you are looking for a comfortable and stylish ride, the Quickfold Excite 3A is a great option. The integrated rainproof LCD shows battery level, mileage, speed and offers adjustable 5-level paddle assist power. It features folding aluminum pedals and a handlebar, making it lightweight at 19.5 kilograms. The 10Ah battery, along with the 250-watt brushless motor, gives a maximum range of 25 to 35 miles. To make the ride more comfortable and pleasant, it offers Shimano 7 gears. After folding, it can be easily rolled and unfolded again. The approximate price of the KwikFold X-ite 3A is £1,099. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. Comment below which folding bike you like the most and stay tuned for many such videos. Thank you.